So, Bandai went full nostalgia mode for Dragon Ball's 40th anniversary. And what did they do? They dropped Kid Goku back on the flying Nimbus. Except this time, they brought a dragon along for the ride. And not Shenron, this one looks straight out of the Volume 1 manga cover. Basically the pilot episode of your childhood. The figure? Pure charm. Goku's about 75 millimeters tall, meaning he's small but mighty. Like if fun-size candy bars could throw Kamehamehas. Accessories? Oh, he comes loaded. A belt, wish sticks, tonfas, cloud pillars, because why not? And of course the dragon itself, which doesn't move but absolutely flexes on your display shelf. Bandai even threw in a special sleeve that looks like the original manga cover, so your bookshelf can cosplay as the 1980s. Fans are calling this the most perfect DB Goku yet. And honestly, they're right. It's basically Dragon Ball distilled into figure form, small, scrappy, full of heart, and always ready to fight someone twice his size. So if you grab this one, congrats. You didn't just buy a figure. You bought a 40-year time machine with plastic abs.